This is how to create user story in Jira. From your dashboard, click Create button, choose your project, and for work type, be sure to choose Story. And for summary, okay, as a user, I want to reset my password to regain access to my account. And scroll down and add a description. Let's say this system will add a user friendly password reset feature. Then scroll down, you can set your priority. For instance, let's say it will be the highest, and choose a team to work on this story and select a start date. You can add more information by attaching documents, and we will select a due date, and you can assign a user, or you can assign to yourself by clicking assign to me and just click create, and you can view your story. So this is how to create user story in Jira.